I don't remember when the last time I did this was. It was like 2 months ago or some shit. Time I take a look at what y'all have sent over the past, I don't know, 2 months. I haven't gone in this channel for a long time, but I'll see. Let's see what the people of my Discord has been up to. Let's see their sense of humor. Maybe it's been evolved or something. First picture I already see. Always use original products. That's a nice looking mouse you got there, dude. Wow, it looks very soft to the touch. Very nice to hold.
He became Freddy Fazbear opened in 1973 and featured 4 furry suits.
What is happening?
Fazbear, a recolor of Bonnie, and
yo.
the Pirate.
A few moments later.
Michael remembered about the spring body.
Okay, she's coming out of the toilet.
His father told him. After Fazbear's fright burnt down,
Nice.
in an attempt from Michael to remove the suit, he thought the fire would disintegrate the suit, but it only hurt more.
Okay.
Okay.
The title of this video, of course, the one that I used to clickbait with you with. Yeah, so honestly, I was thinking how much I could sell the play button, just a random thought of my mind. Seeing this hung up on your wall every day, you're just gonna think to yourself, like, how much you're gonna sell it. Of course, I'm not gonna sell it, but you know, maybe if it goes for like 50k,
$5.
New tab, incognito, of course. Let's check out what this bad boy's worth. They're not worth any cash, for real. If you talk about worth, you can say the silver play button is for people who have made at least 30k on YouTube. And the golden play button is for those who have done at least 400k. Made at least 30k on YouTube. Is that a fact? Alright, let me search this up. According to my YouTube analytics, on my lifetime section, I've made a grand total $18,752 according to YouTube. Where did all my money go? You might think that's a big number. Honestly, it's not. Like, I think I have over 30 million total views on YouTube. According to this, 1 million views on YouTube pays between 40, what the hell? 40k for a million? Dude, well, what platform is this? YouTube? Alright, let's just take the bare minimum, 3,400, and you times that by 30. What's that? Definitely more than 19k. Now, I have a pretty good reason as to why this is like this. When my channel was really blowing up, during like January 2018, that's when it started blowing up all the way halfway through 2018, my channel was not monetized at all, so I didn't make any money from any of the content I made. Silver play button, $2 to $5k. What? That'll only buy me like a few hundred McDonald's meals. How's that? That's probably gonna last me like 2 days. Come on, dude. But honestly speaking, like the real worth of it, based on like the items this is made of, I'm guessing this whole thing probably cost them like less than $10 to make. The whole thing is basically plastic. And you wanna watch this? I'm putting it for sale. Comment how much you want to buy in the comment section, dude. I only accept currency in either mcspicy meals or chicken rice packets. Oh, that was fast. Why is it all lollies? Oh, it's a kindergarten. Whoa! Oh, brutal, dude. Oh shit. Yo, whoa. What the hell did I just watch? I was not expecting. Okay.
Oh my god, you guys, look at my Uber Eats Tokyo drifting. Better not spill my wind juice.
I don't think he knows. Now. What the? He's on the.
X videos. If you don't know what that is, ignore that. Chinese midget farting. What is this guy searching? People have their own fetish. Alright, I get it. Chinese midget. Ooh. Oh. 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 Oh shit. Yeah. Ah, come on, man.
I've won.
Hey, that's
Exactly as planned.
hey, that's some big IQ shit, dude. Oh, is this again? Oh. Ooh, they're looking sus, bro. Let's go. Oh. Hey, looking hella sus. Dude, the drip on them. Alright, enough Among Us. Dude, what am I? What is this? 2019? Oh shit, is that real? Apple Music, what are you guys listening to? Samsung replied with Spotify, dude. Oh, dude, I gotta fact check this, man. Alright, I can't find it on Twitter. No, dude. Alright, I'm still gonna think it's real. Whatever.
Don't do this. I seriously can't live without you. I didn't cheat on you. I didn't mean to send that. Please, don't do this. I seriously can't live without you. I didn't cheat on you. I didn't mean to send that.
Why is he so like nervous?
Hey guys, welcome back to another Clash Royale Let's Play. Today I'm going to be using a P.E.K.K.A and Witch combo to take out some enemy and oh shit, my app just froze. Let me just restart that. Oh fuck! Oh! Ah! Fuck! 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 Ah! 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 Fuck! Shit, I'm sorry. Oh my god! Oh my god! No! Oh fuck! Fuck! Ah! 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 Ah!
Oh my god. Loud equals funny, loud equals funny. What does that even mean? If this is so lit, then no thanks, I'd rather freeze. Damn, why do you even... What is this, dude? Why lead me to that? Alright.
Yeah, sorry I'm gonna be late. I have the plumber here right now and he's fixing my sink. Yeah, I gotta go, bye. Hey sir, how's it going?
You're just gonna need a new spray valve and then it should work properly.
Were my pipes dirty?
I don't know. I just checked the spray valve and the tailpiece.
Did you clean my pipes?
No, I just checked your spray valve and tailpiece.
Do you want to clean my pipes?
Do you want me to clean your pipes?
Maybe.
Okay, just let me know if you do.
I bet I could handle a pretty big pipe.
You mean like a 2? I don't know. I mean, your system was built to be a 1.5. That's what you currently have. I can install it too, but I have to rip everything out, and that's going to cost you north of $3 grand.
Oh, I don't have that much money.
Yeah, well, it doesn't really make sense to do it anyway, so.
Well, maybe if I can figure out another form of payment?
You mean like a check? Yeah.
No, I mean like maybe if you take care of my pipes, I can take care of your pipe.
Man, I do my own plumbing.
Oh, what the... Oh, dude, that was great, dude. What the hell? Alright, that was nice. You know what? I got... Bro, I laughed a bit. Just a bit. Nice, good one, guys. You made me chuckle a bit in the video. Anyways, I got things to do. I can't be sitting here watching weird videos all day, dude. Goodbye.